Stop. Before you touch that pump. You are about to cause $1,300 in damage, not one day from now. Not eventually. Right now, at this gas station, doing exactly what you always do. 5 habits. Every driver has them, and your fuel system is paying for every single one. One of these 5 habits has triggered the check engine light. For millions of drivers, $500 to $1,200 per repair, and almost every one of them caused it themselves. At number 2, every single fill-up. These habits are not in your owner's manual. Your mechanic knows about them. He just does not tell you. Because some of this damage sends drivers straight to his shop. All 5 fixes take under 10 seconds. Total cost to fix, nothing. But before we start, number 5 on this list is destroying your fuel pump right now. Every driver does it. The repair, $600 to $1,300, and it is almost never covered by warranty. Keep watching. Mistake number 1, and it is the one that can kill you. Almost 1 in 10 drivers fills up with the engine still running. You have seen the signs at every pump. Most think the danger is the phone. It is not. Gas vapors are heavier than air. They sink around the nozzle. A running engine creates heat and electrical sparks. Those vapors can ignite. There is a second problem. Modern cars pull fuel vapors through a recovery system. Engine running during refueling, those fumes enter at the wrong time. Rough idling. Oxygen sensors misread. Charcoal canister failure. The correct routine. Engine off completely. Wait 10 seconds before opening the cap. Do not leave the ignition in accessory mode. 10 seconds. That is the fix. This is not just a safety risk. Evap canister failure is one of the 5 most common check engine codes in the US. PR441, PR446, PR455. Mechanics see it every week. Average repair cost, $380 to $420 every single case. Preventable. Engine off, 10 seconds. That is all it takes. This is the mistake that caused it. The pump clicked. They squeezed the handle one more time, just to top off. Every single fill-up. They thought it was harmless. It is not. Every modern car has a charcoal canister. Its job, trap fuel vapors. Designed for vapors only. Squeeze past the click, and liquid fuel enters the canister. The charcoal saturates. Vapors can no longer move through. Evap system fails. Check engine light on. $500 to $1,200. Dealerships almost never cover it. The damage pattern makes the cause obvious. 3 words. When the pump clicks. Stop. One more thing the shop never mentions. The damage is not always immediate. You can top off today, and the code triggers 3 weeks later. Because the canister saturates gradually, fill after fill, until the system fails. That is why drivers never make the connection. They blame the weather, the fuel, the car. It was the extra squeeze, every single time. This one surprises people. Because it seems completely harmless. You grab the gas cap, you twist it open, fast, one motion. You have done this your whole life. It is causing damage. When the car has been running, the fuel tank builds internal pressure. Open the cap fast, that pressure releases in a burst. Vapors hit the evap lines. Fuel tank pressure sensor reads a false leak. Check engine light on. $150 diagnostic visit. For a mistake that took less than 2 seconds. Here is the technique. Turn the cap slowly. Pause when you feel resistance. Wait 3 full seconds after the hiss. Then remove it. The hiss is pressure equalizing safely. 4 seconds. Every time. Here is the detail that catches drivers off guard. The light does not come on at the pump. It comes on 2 days later during a cold start. That is when the evap self-check runs. It reads the false pressure drop. Triggers the code. Different day. Different gas station. Driver has no idea what caused it. $150 diagnostic. Nothing structurally wrong. The cap technique was the entire cause. 4 seconds per fill-up. 3 down. All 3 free to fix. All 3 things your manual never mentioned. If this is already saving you money, hit the like button. 1 tap. That is it. Because the last two? Those are the ones that destroy the most expensive parts of your engine, and almost nobody talks about them. You pull in. You see a tanker truck connected to the underground tank. Most drivers think, great, fresh fuel, just delivered. That is actually the worst time to fill up. Underground tanks collect sediment over time. Dirt, rust particles, water. It settles to the bottom. Normally it stays there. But when a tanker delivers thousands of gallons, it hits that sediment like a wave. Everything churns up. And if you pump during that window, that sediment enters your tank. Then your fuel filter. Then your injectors. Cars filled within 2 hours of a delivery showed significantly higher contamination levels. Injector cleaning, $200 to $400. Replacement, $400 to $1,000. The rule: if you see a tanker, skip it. Come back 4 to 6 hours later. The sediment has settled. Most drivers never make this connection because the damage does not arrive immediately. Contaminated fuel passes through your filter first. The filter catches most of it for a while, but filters have a capacity limit. The first 150 miles after a contaminated fill, that is the highest risk window. Hesitation on acceleration, slight roughness at idle. Most drivers dismiss it. The injector bill arrives months later. The tanker was the cause. One fill-up was the trigger. Skipping it cost nothing. Almost every driver has done this. Run the tank close to empty before filling up. Feels like smart money management. It is not. Your fuel pump is not next to the engine. It is inside the gas tank. Submerged in the fuel. Cooled by the fuel. When the tank runs low, the pump is no longer submerged. It runs exposed, in air, in heat. Engineering data from Bosch. Driving regularly below 1/4 tank increases fuel pump wear by more than 60%. That fuel pump failure? $600 to $1,300. Rarely covered under warranty because the damage pattern is unmistakable. At low fuel, the pump pulls whatever is at the bottom. Sediment, water, rust all into the filter, then into the injectors. The fix is free. Refuel at the 1/4 tank mark. That is your real empty. Everything below that line, your pump is paying for it. There is a second effect most mechanics never mention. When the fuel level drops below 1/4, fuel temperature rises. Hot fuel has lower lubrication properties. The pump bearings wear faster. And fuel sitting at the bottom of a warm tank has higher contamination. Running on low does not just expose the pump. It forces the pump to run on the worst fuel in the tank. Heat, exposure, contamination. That is the failure chain behind most premature pump replacements. 5 habits, all invisible, all free to correct. And now you know them. But here is the part most drivers miss. These 5 things at the pump, they are just the beginning. There is a second set. Habits that happen after you drive away. Those are the reason engines fail before 100,000 miles. You filled up the right way. Engine off. Cap opened slowly. Pump stopped at the click. Tank at the 1/4 mark. 5 habits. Fixed. All of them free. All of them invisible until the bill arrives. But the gas station is only half the problem. The other half starts the moment you turn the key. Cold engine. Oil thick. Not yet circulating. For the first 45 seconds after ignition, metal runs without full lubrication. What you do in that window determines more about engine life than almost anything at the pump. Most drivers repeat the same 3 habits in those first minutes, without knowing. One of them causes more cumulative engine wear than all 5 gas station habits combined. Almost no one knows what it is, and none of that matters if you make the mistakes that happen in the first 3 minutes, after you drive away. Your engine starts dying the moment you leave the gas station, and most drivers have been letting it happen. Every single morning. For years.